Did you know that creating eye-pleasing YouTube banners that can help you please and increase your community can lead you to monetization? Meaning, the more you give efforts to your YouTube graphics, the more chances of winning. Now, are you ready to unlock your creativity and editing skills within you? Because in this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step until you master the art of editing. Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a YouTube banner with Canva. Okay, first things first, open up Canva on your browser. Now, in the Canva menu, what you want to do is search up YouTube banner. Once you have done that, all the pre-made templates that are available for you can now be selected to be used for your YouTube banner for you to further customize. What you want to do now from here is to select a template that you might find interesting. However, you can always start from scratch if you want, since it is more advisable to make and things are more aligned to your YouTube page. Then, for us to make sure that our banner will appear on all devices, we have to turn on Rulers and Guides by tapping on File option that you can see on your top left corner. Then, hover your cursor to select View Settings. Then, tap on Rulers and Guides, or you can just easily press Shift+R. After that, tap and drag the side ruler and set horizontal guidelines to 508 and 932. And for the vertical guidelines, set 507 and 2053. As you can see, the guidelines are already set, meaning we will only edit the middle part of the guidelines, which is this one. Now, we can proceed on editing. In Design, there, you can select pre-made designs, which you can further customize. Next is Elements. These are where you can get stickers, photos, shapes, and other things that you will need for your YouTube banner. Then, the Uploads. In here, you can upload your own files like your photos, videos, and even additional graphics. In Text, this is where you can add text to your banner. This comes with so much fonts to help you further customize your design. On Draw, this is a drawing tool if you want to draw something on your design. And lastly, the Projects. Here are where you can find all the projects that you have made in the past. So now, what we are going to do to proceed is to customize your own YouTube banner by using the mentioned tools earlier. Just pick whatever color you like, whatever font or text you want to include, or whatever photos or graphics you want to add. So let's start! Now that we are done customizing, we can now proceed by downloading your work. To do just that, just press the Share button to open the Saving menu. In here, you'll be able to see that you can change the format of your work. You can also see here the different applications that you can share your YouTube banner. If you are done, you can now proceed and press Download and save it as JPEG, PNG, or anything that you like. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it! You can now make a YouTube banner using Canva. Thanks for watching! And that's it! You can now make a YouTube banner using Canva. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!